In order to solve this question, I think it's hard for most of you, so I decided to use an example which is much easier than this, just in order to understand the concept of completing the square. So the example is x squared plus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. As we know that this expression can be equivalent to x squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. You know that the a, b, c, they are coefficients. So like, let's say, what is the value of a? We know that it's 1. What is the value of b? We know it's 4. What is the value of c? Is 3. So in order to solve the completing square, we should, first of all, we should arrange this equation. So we make it x squared plus 4x. Then we move the 3 to the other side, which is about -3. So then we move to the most important rule of completing the square, which is b over 2 square, bracket square. As we know that the b is 4, so bracket 4 over 2 square. So 4 over 2 is 2. 2 square is 4. So we got this 4. So how to input this 4 to this expression? So we say x squared plus 4x. We add the 4 for both sides. This 4 we add it for this side and this side. Okay, so x squared plus 4x plus 4 equal to -3 plus 4. So -3 plus 4, which is plus 1. And this we can make it into this form, x plus 2. We know that the x plus 2 square is equal to the x squared plus 4x plus 4. We stop until this step. We can complete and we get the value of x. We can make the square root for both sides, and we get the value for the x1 and x2. But this is not the purpose of this video, because this question does not need the value of x. Then we get back to the main question. So the question says the equation for x squared minus 24x plus 4y squared plus 72y equal to 76. So this expression, let's make it bigger. So as it says, this expression should be equivalent to one of the 4 choices that we see. In order to solve this question, first of all, we can notice that we have 2 variables in this expression, which is the x and the y. Then we make 2 expressions, which the first expression should be 4x squared minus 24x, and then the second expression is 4y squared plus 72y. So we have 2 expressions, and to make it easy for you, in order to solve the question, we take the common factor. So the common factor is 4. Then we remain with the x squared minus negative 24 over 4 is 6. So we remain with 6x. And this one, we take the common factor as well. Then 4 is out. Y squared plus 72 over 4, which is 18y. So we use the root for the completing square, which is b over 2 bracket square. So we know that the b is 6 or -6. Don't forget that sign. It's not actually important because we have this square. So, but in case you put the sign, okay? So negative 6 over 2 bracket square. So negative 6 over 2 is the negative 3 square equal to 9. And here we know we put the rule b over 2 square. We know that the b is 18 and we divide it by 2 square. We know that 18 over 2 is 9, so 9 square is 81. Then we take those two values, we import it into this expression. So how to do this? Okay, let's just move down, or let's zoom out. We write this expression and this expression because we already took the common factor. So 4x squared minus 6x plus 9. So we input this value here. Then the second one is plus 4 and y squared plus 18y plus 81 equal to 76. When you see the four choices, you see the answer should be in a square form. So how to do these two expressions into a square form? Let's just zoom out. And when we make the square root of 9, it should be 3. So we say x minus 3, because here we have the negative sign, the middle one, this one. So we put it the negative sign, and here the square root of 9 is 3. Then we put the square. Then here we have plus 4. The square root of 81 should be 9. And we here have the positive sign. So we put y plus 9 square equal to, oh, I forgot something. I will show it now. Should be added to this step, but I will do it now. Should be equal to 76, and those two values should be added here. But before we add it here, we should multiply the 81 with the 4 and the 9 with the 4, because the original one was not taking the common factor. Like before taking the common factor, it should be 36. 4 times 9 is 36. So plus 36, and the last one 81 times 4, which is 324. So we are finally, we reached to the final step, but we still have to add those three products. So we write again 4x minus 3 square plus 4 y plus 9 square equal to 76 plus 36 plus 24. Let me add it into the calculator, just a minute. We got 436. This should be the final answer. We look back to the four choices. The last one, same square form equal to 436, which is right. I know this topic is not easy. My advice to you is just repeat this video again and again and try to solve this question same as I did.